Genghis. Not Genghis. Okay. So it was a 3-way tie on what to do. So I've decided 3 things. Start things on fire. I'm not Genghis! Genghis! Yo, stop calling me Genghis in chat. Stop calling me. Is that what you want? Huh? Okay. Well, I came up with 3 things. Set things on fire. So maybe coat this pencil in like something flammable and then try and write with it. Next up, do like stuff with electronics. So maybe try to make our own like electric motor. So I have the wire there. And then another one is mixing random chemicals until something cool happens. So GONG GONNG. Okay. So, quick test of this before more people get on. Okay, that's a pretty healthy layer. Let's try it out. Make a blocky. What? This is the worst lighter. Make a blicky. Okay. Is that good? Wait, actually, I don't want to get age restricted. Bro, this lighter. Yes, okay. And it all evaporated by the time I was done. Okay. Yeah, that's a healthy layer. Oh, I just realized I was touching that. Ow. It's beautiful blue. Okay. Little intro for option 1. Now option 2. The soldering iron. So basically a soldering iron, it gets hot enough to just melt metal by existing. Let me see how much time I got left. Real quick. 14 minutes, yeah. Okay. So We're gonna wait for it to heat up, so it'll take a little bit. It's already at 600 degrees, so. One of the things that I think would be interesting to do on here is make like an electric motor just by ourselves. So I got a bunch of very thin copper wire. Oh, that's smoking a lot. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, we're good now. Okay, oh, that's strong smell. Okay, we'll probably save that for later. But the only thing is I have to find magnets. And the only magnet I found were these little small ones that you like stick together and make weird shapes. So, and also if we do that, I brought out this neat heat sink. Oh, it should be plenty. If not, I have a bigger heat sink. Let me put those up. This one. There is a lot we could do here, but we could make some banned war chemicals. So the favorite banned war chemical is white phosphorus. So we could make a white phosphorus like still by scraping off white phosphorus, red phosphorus into there, and then let me find it. Yeah, and then taking one of these, I'll put a rubber stopper here, so then that will attach like that actually. And then we put a little collection flask down at the bottom with some water. So the idea is the heat here is going to expand the air, push the air out of the tube through the water here. So we're gonna have a partial vacuum, I guess. Probably not much though. But that should allow us to distill the favorite banned war chemical, white phosphorus, which white phosphorus in parts per million is worse than hydrogen cyanide, which hydrogen cyanide, if you have seen any of my videos, it forms cyanide in your lungs, like as you breathe it in. So just a couple big breaths, and yeah, it gets really bad. So that's why we have this. How do I not die? I might need to take out some safety stuff. Keyword might. Yeah. If we are going to do this, we're going to mask up real quick. Because the fumes are going to be extreme. Actually, I don't need this yet. But the fumes are going to be so extremely toxic. It's not even funny. So the red phosphorus will get distilled over a vacuum, changing its molecular structure from red phosphorus, which is already pretty bad. It's like I would say on the verge of being explosive, extremely flammable, but it's not gonna explode in air or do anything like crazy. I mean, I wouldn't, but do the electricity thing. What's the electricity thing? Explain. Okay. While I'm waiting for that, the red phosphorus will heat up, change form. Just what is the electricity thing? will change forms into white phosphorus and bubble down through the water trap. The thing where it shows a blue or okay, the high voltage thing. Sure. Okay, I'm back. So the original one's broken, so I have to make a new one, which is gonna take like a minute. Why does it show 0 people? Okay. It's gonna take a good minute. Trim the edges here, so I have a less chance of stopping my heart. So I would say, at least for most people, if they held both of these ends while it was going, that could stop your heart, and yeah, you'd be dead on the spot right there. I mean, I guess they'd have to like defibrillate you, but still, extremely bad. I mean, you probably will die. The good thing is DC and AC are extremely different when it comes to what kind of shock you get. So for AC, basically it makes it your muscles, they contract, making it so you're not able to move, so you can't take your hands off, so it's just further destroying your heart, so worse chance of dying. Whereas DC, this gives you a chance to react. Like, not saying this is safe in any means. No, this thing can stop your heart without you even knowing it. I mean, you don't even have to touch both ends, just touch one end, and you get like, it feels like you're shocked by like a lightning bolt, like get hit by a truck. That happened to me once through some really thick insulation. So, what is it? I haven't gotten a full experience, but oh, that was not good at all. Anyways, I'm gonna need a 3-volt battery because it is a DC step up thing, which means that the output current is DC and the input. But I guess now it's time. Actually, let's do a little bit more safety stuff so I don't kill myself on stream. Oh, also, this produces toxic ozone, which, as I just learned about how bad white phosphorus is, ozone is even worse than that. But as long as I don't run it for too long, it shouldn't get like dangerous amounts built up. Okay, 3-volt battery. Where did I put tape? Yeah. Alright. So negative to negative. Okay. Now the thing is I don't know if we, or like what kind of mode we're in right now. If that switch on and I'm a little too close to it, well then super bad stuff's gonna happen. I mean, like, I don't want that at all. So let me get the distance. Okay. And we are going to ever so carefully take this off. Place that there. And I'm going to use scissors here. And I'm just going to touch that. Nothing. Which is good because I forgot to mask up. So now, flip that on. In theory, it should work now. In theory, it should work now. Oh, I'm probably shorting it. Real bad there. Okay. Minor setback, but at least it didn't result in me dying. So, I'll take it. I used this strat on a part from my jet engine because it is actually, see. I don't know what's happening, but I don't think it's anything good. Alright, take two. This one might just be broken. I mean, that's happened to me before. Some of them just come right out of the box broken. But I don't really want to believe that. You know what? Safety wasn't important anyways. I'm taking this off. Going direct connection. Now this means every ounce of power in this battery is going straight into the incredible voltages. So, I mean, it's not going to be like, I don't even hear anything. I'm going to try flipping the way I do this. I hear like a minor click. I don't know if y'all do. What if they just completely messed up on the packaging and they put red as maybe a little buzz out here? I don't really want to set up a new one, so I don't. What do you mean you don't? Like you don't want to set up a new one or what? Okay, well, I'm not going to deprive y'all of entertainment, so I need to do something cool. Okay, that should do something fun. Let me kind of move that in circle here. So these scissors do a thing. Okay. Okay. Yay! It's kind of hard to see on stream, but they're glowing. They have a blue. Keep your engine on the go. All right. Technically, I should end stream now. Yeah. I'll keep going. Are you still here? This is 0 again now. Yay! It's glowing. Oh, it's gone again. What if I make this like a tower? and have like a little drop on the top. There we go. Please don't spill. Oh, come on, it spilled. Which I couldn't just light. Okay. I couldn't just light it how it is, if it spilled, because the thing is if I have burning fuel running down the test tube as I'm lighting it. Yay! It's a candle. Okay. I don't think that's enough fire. You know what? It's dripping down. But if it falls, it falls. We're gonna figure that out. Huh. I didn't expect it to do something bad. Would it stop? Okay. What else could be fun? I wonder if I can use alcohol as step 1 in burning something. So like maybe I could take a little bit of here, let me put this into stand. Do rage bait. Okay. Genghis. I'm not Genghis, okay? Stop calling me Genghis. Why do you want rage bait so bad? I'm not gonna be that guy that wears like the toilet seat around his head and like say like Rah. I'm not that guy. So technically okay. So in theory the hydrogen peroxide should decompose into water and oxygen at the elevated temperature. Cereal box, is that his name? Cereal. Oh yeah, that's. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot about that. That would be cool. I can do the like the little rocket motor thing. Well, that one didn't work well. All right. Well, anyways, we have a little solution. I need something to burn this on. Yes, the big heat sink from before. Probably won't be that good surface area wise, but I mean, I'm not gonna be like super upset. Alright. No, I can't even reach down into that. I only have a little bit left there. Can I pour that out back in? Okay. I was able to save a little bit. Oh, I could just do it on like a quarter because I don't have enough where I use like a burn dish. Okay. So hold up. Before I light this, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit because it is not looking that good right now. Okay. On. Once to light. I think it needs a little bit more alcohol to actually get going. I'm not gonna mix it in, so hopefully the temperature of that alcohol burning and trigger the decomposition and then get everything else. Okay, I think it's going. Can you see that on stream? It's kind of a cool color. It's like super blue. Ow, it's hot though. You know, you don't think it's that hot when it's like pretty much invisible like that. I mean, like I can barely see that, and like if I drag this tape over it, I mean, instantly melts. I think in like they didn't use alcohol, but a story. Old race cars report you. Okay. Old race cars, they used methanol as fuel, which I think some of them still do. But the thing is it burns completely invisibly, like completely lights off. Ever like staring at it, you might see a very faint blue flame. Like if you thought that was like extremely see through, I mean that thing is nearly invisible. Especially during the day, you can't see a thing. Um, so when they came into pits, sometimes like say if there's a fire, no one could see, but they were actually on fire, the race car drivers, and everyone thought they were like doing something weird or like celebrating because they won, but they were like running and like falling all over the place trying to do that. So they end up a lot of companies switched fuels, and I don't know for sure if it's banned now. I don't think it is, but kind of scary when it happened. I'm pinning that message. Okay, I'm unpinning that image. Okay, I don't really think I have much more to do unless y'all have any ideas. 'Cause, I mean, I could, but I didn't really, what is it? I didn't have enough time to set up the white phosphorus thing because it was a 30, 30, 30, it was 30, 30, 30 vote. So, I don't know. I think I'm gonna end stream now. I mean, I guess, I'm gonna end it perfect 30 seconds or 30 minutes. We're at 29:48 right now, by the way. All right. Goodbye.